Hello students, in today's geography video, we are going to study the political map of Brazil. As we have already studied, there are 26 states in Brazil and there is one federal district, that is the capital of Brazil, Brasilia. Okay. Now we have to learn the name of all these 26 states and their location in Brazil by heart. This will help us to understand the various geographical concepts related to Brazil. Okay, so let's start. First, what we have done is we have divided Brazil into 5 different sub-regions. Okay, because studying the names of the state region wise will be very easier. Okay, so the first region, as you can see, is a region shown in green color. It is the northern region or north region of Brazil, and there are 7 different states in this region. The next one is the blue one, which is the northeast region, and there are 9 states in the northeast region. In the third region shown in yellow color, it is the central west region and there are 3 states in this. Then number 4 is the southeast region shown in red color and there are 4 states in this region. And lastly, the region shown in saffron color, that is the south region, and there are 3 states in this region. Okay, so let us study the names of these regions one by one. Here the first region shown in green color is the north region. It is the largest region of Brazil. It covers 45.27% of Brazil's total land area. But the population here is very less. Okay, very few people live here because it is densely forested. The population density is only 3.8 persons per square kilometer. And the economic development is also very less. It contributes, this region, although it is covering 45% of the area of Brazil, it contributes only 5% to its GDP. Okay, so now let us see the names of the states one by one. The first one here, which is in the small state, is Rondônia. Okay, Rondônia. The second one is Acre. Okay, Acre. The third one is Amazonas, and Amazonas is the largest state of Brazil. Then here, this is Roraima. It is the northernmost state of Brazil. Then this state is Amapá. Okay. Now here, this is Pará. Okay. Pará is the second largest state of Brazil. And here, number 7 is Tocantins. Okay. There is a river called as Tocantins which flows through this region. Okay. So let us revise the 7 states which belong to the northern region of Brazil one by one once again. Okay. So the first one is Rondônia, second is Acre, third is Amazonas, fourth is Roraima, fifth is Amapá, sixth is Pará, and seventh is Tocantins. Okay, so I hope the first region is clear. Let us go to the next region, that is the northeast region. Now this northeast region is covering 18.3% of total Brazil's land area, and here 28% of Brazil's population lives in this area. Okay, and it contributes 13% to Brazil's GDP. This particular area of Brazil is very hot. Okay, people say that there are only 2 seasons in this area. One is summer with rain and another is summer without rain. Okay, so you can see how hot this entire region is throughout the year. Okay, now let us see the names of the states. Okay, as I said, there are 9 states in this region. So we are continuing with the same number. So here we are not starting with number 1, we are starting with number 8. Okay, so the first one, number 8 here is Maranhão. Okay, Maranhão. Number 9 here is Piauí. Okay, Piauí. Then number 10 here, this is Ceará. Okay, Ceará. Number 7 is Rio Grande do Norte. Okay, Rio Grande do Norte. Here north means north. Okay, Rio means river. Okay, so Rio Grande do Norte. It is the northeasternmost state of Brazil. Then here, this is Paraíba. Okay, number 12 is Paraíba. Number 13 is Pernambuco. Okay, Pernambuco. Number 14 here, it is Alagoas. Okay, Alagoas. Number 15 is Sergipe. Okay, Sergipe. Fine. And number 16 is Bahia. Okay, Bahia. Fine. So these are the 9 states which belong to the northeast region of Brazil. Let us revise their names once again. Okay. Number 8 is Maranhão. Okay, Maranhão. Number 9 is Piauí. Okay, Piauí. Number 10 is Ceará. Okay, Ceará. Number 11 is Rio Grande do Norte. Okay, Rio Grande do Norte. Number 12 is Paraíba. Okay, Paraíba. Number 13, Pernambuco. Okay, Pernambuco. Number 14 is Alagoas. Okay, Alagoas. Number 15 is Sergipe. And last, number 16 is Bahia. Okay, so these are the 9 states which belong to the northeast region. Let us quickly move on to the central west region. Okay, as you can see, central west region, it covers a significantly big area. It covers 18.9% of Brazil's total land area. Here also the population density is very less, 10 persons per square kilometer, and it contributes 10% to Brazil's GDP. Okay, so industrially this area is not very well developed. Okay, the main occupation here is cattle rearing. Fine. So let us look at the 3 states which are there. Number 1, or rather number 17, because we are continuing with the same number. Number 17 is Mato Grosso. Okay, Mato Grosso. Grosso means grass. Okay, this entire region is grassland. So Mato Grosso. Number 18, just to the south of it, is Mato Grosso do Sul. Okay, Mato Grosso do Sul. Just like north means north, Sul means south. Okay, so you can remember this, Mato Grosso, and to the south of that is Mato Grosso do Sul. Number 19 is Goiás. Okay, number 19 is Goiás, and in this Goiás only, here we have a separate federal district which is the capital of Brazil, that is Brasilia. Okay, Brasilia. Fine. So I hope it is very clear. Let us quickly revise it. Okay, number 17 is Mato Grosso, number 18 is Mato Grosso do Sul, number 19 is Goiás, and the asterisk mark is the Federal District of Brazil, that is the capital, Brasilia. Okay, let us now go to the most densely and economically well developed region of Brazil, that is the southeast region. Okay, it has 4 states. Here it covers only 10.86% of total land area of Brazil, but here the density of population is very large, 87% per square kilometer as compared to the other parts of Brazil, and it contributes 56% of Brazil's GDP. So these 4 states are the richest states of Brazil. Okay, let us see what are their names. We start with number 20, Minas Gerais. Okay, Minas Gerais. The word Minas comes from mine. Okay, mining जहाँ पे करते हैं, mine. This area has a lot of mines. Okay, so Minas Gerais. Number 20 is Espírito Santo. Espírito Santo, the Holy Spirit, उसका मतलब इंग्लिश में Espírito Santo. Number 12 is Rio de Janeiro. Okay, Rio de Janeiro. Janeiro comes from the month January. Okay, and 23 is Sao Paulo. Okay, Sao Paulo, the richest state of Brazil, Sao Paulo. So let us revise their names once again. Number 20 is Minas Gerais. Number 20 is Espírito Santo. Number 22 is Rio de Janeiro, and number 23 is Sao Paulo. Okay, I hope now it is very clear. Let us go to the last region, that is the south region of Brazil. It is the smallest region of Brazil and it covers only 6.76% of Brazil's total land area. The density of population is 50 persons per square kilometer, and it contributes 16% of Brazil's GDP. Okay, in this area, most of the people living in this area are emigrants. Emigrants means originally they are from some other country and they have come here and settled in this part of Brazil. So most of the people here belong to Germany, Japan, Italy, Russia, and Ukraine, Poland, such countries. Okay, so most of the people living here are white, we can say. Okay, fine. They are not colored as the other people of Brazil are. They are white. Fine. The standard of living here is also very high. Let us see the names of these 3 states. Okay, number 24 is Parana. There is a river which flows from here. The name of the river is Parana. So Parana. Number 25 is Santa Catarina. Okay, Santa Catarina. And number 26, which is the southernmost state of Brazil, is Rio Grande do Sul. Okay, Rio Grande do Sul. Just some time ago we have said that Sul means south. Okay, so very easy to remember. Let us revise it again. Number 24 is Paraná. Number 25 is Santa Catarina. And number 26 is Rio Grande do Sul. Okay, now we have seen the names of the state region wise. Now let us look at the names of the state together. Okay, let us try to say the names of all these 26 states together. Okay, so let us start with the first one here. Okay, what was the name? Rondônia. Okay, number 2 is Acre. Okay, number 3 is Amazonas. Number 4 is Roraima. Okay, number 5 is Amapa. Number 6 is Para. Number 7 is Tocantins. Number 8 is Maranhão. Number 9 is Piauí. Number 10 is Ceará. Number 11 is Rio Grande do Norte. Okay. Number 12 is Paraíba. Number 13 is Pernambuco. Number 14 is Alagoas. Number 15 is Sergipe. Number 16 is Bahia. Number 17 is Mato Grosso. Number 18 is Mato Grosso do Sul. Number 19 is Goiás. Here this asterisk sign is Brasilia, the capital. Then 20 is Minas Gerais. 21 Espírito Santo. 22 Rio de Janeiro. Number 23 Sao Paulo. Number 24 Paraná. Number 25 Santa Catarina. And last number 26 is Rio Grande do Sul. Okay, so Rio Grande do Norte, Rio Grande do Sul. Okay, north and south. Fine. So let us revise these names once again for the last time. So number 1, okay, number 1 here, okay, north region, Rondônia. Number 2, Acre. Number 3, Amazonas. Number 4, Roraima. Number 5, Amapa. And here you can see this is a big island formed by river Amazon. Okay, so Amapa is very close to the mouth of Amazon. Number 6 is Para. Number 7, Tocantins. Number 8, Maranhão. Number 9, Piauí. Number 10 is Ceará. Number 11, Rio Grande do Norte. Number 12 is Paraíba. Number 13 is Pernambuco. Number 14 is Alagoas. Number 15 is Sergipe. Number 16 is Bahia. Number 17 Mato Grosso. Number 18 Mato Grosso do Sul. Number 19 Goiás. The asterisk sign is Brasilia, capital. Number 20 is Minas Gerais. Number 21 is Espírito Santo. Number 22 is Rio de Janeiro. Number 23 is Sao Paulo. Number 24 is Paraná. Number 25 is Santa Catarina. And number 26, the last one, is Rio Grande do Sul. Okay, so I hope we are clear, and by doing this we will be able to remember the names of all the 26 states of Brazil. Okay, so that was for today. Okay, please keep learning and stay home, stay safe. Thank you.